Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. Ooh. Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with another DIY to share with you all. It's some decorative towels and a towel rack. Yeah, I don't have a large towel rack in my downstairs washroom, so I decided I think I'll just make something to hang some towels on. So I'm going to share with you guys how I did that. Alright, for the first DIY, these are the items that I'll be using. And everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what I use and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, here is our frame. I took out the mirrors. As you saw in the beginning, some of the frames are black, some are this gold color. You could use whichever one you choose. And now we're going to use these popsicle sticks to help reinforce these frames because they're not very strong. So you need something extra for a little extra support so it won't fall apart. They are very weak frames from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to be adding these little silver bead-like things going around our frame. And now our frames are all done, and I did do 3 of these frames. So I'm going to glue them together using the E6000 and some of our hot glue. Now we're just going to turn it over and reinforce with some popsicle sticks. And I'm going to add some extra glue here to the front also. And now we're going to add our third frame over, and we're going to use the E6000 and some hot glue. It is going to take a minute to set, so just have some patience and hold it down. And then I'm going to turn it over like I have here and enforce it with some more hot glue. Everywhere that the third frame meets the other 2 frames, we're going to add some more hot glue to help reinforce it, and then it has to set overnight to dry. And on to our decorative towels that we will be decorating. Here they are. I got these towels. Some are from Walmart. I have 2 little small ones that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll be doing those also. But these are the ones I got from Walmart. Over here in Canada, they're $4 in Walmart. Probably in America you get them a little cheaper. But the cheapest ones I found in Walmart were $4. And the small little hand towels were only $2. So I picked these ones up to use. Okay. Here are her towels, and this is the size that they are. You can see that. So here we have our towel here, and we have the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. So I just spread it out along the towel here, and then I am going to just cut it down to size. And I already cut these ones into strips. And then we're going to line them up going across the bottom of our towel in a pattern. And now I'll be using some T-pins to hold our bling wrap in place so it doesn't move while I start to glue it down. And I'll be using this fabric infusion. I got it from Walmart. It says it's a permanent fabric adhesive, and it usually dries in 2 to 4 hours, but you have to wait 48 hours before you can wash whatever product you put it on. So we'll be using that to hold down our bling wrap. And at first when I was using it, I was using the E6000 and the fabric infusion, but then I stopped and just used the fabric infusion only. And make sure when you place it down, you press down firmly with it. Just press it down to make sure the glue is going to stick to, you know, lay down flat and stick to the surface of the towel. And now I have a gray towel here, and I'll be placing our rose gold bling in a pattern on this towel. And now our gold bling wrap. This is the pattern that I'm doing. And as you see, you guys, I'm wearing the plastic gloves because this glue is very, very sticky. And now these are the two little towels I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is the pattern that I'll be using, our silver bling wrap and our black bling wrap. And remember, wear gloves. This glue is very messy, very, very messy. So make sure you wear gloves when you're doing your project. And I forgot to add that this glue dries clear. It dries clear, so it doesn't matter the color that you see the glue, it's a yellowish color, but it does dry clear on your project. And here are our finished towels. I think they look lovely, and as you can see, I added the gems from Totally Dazzled. Yes, I added the gems. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Gold gems on the gold, rose pink on the rose pink, silver on the silver. And I like how I did this pattern with the black and the silver bling wrap, and then the little crisscross in the middle with a bling in the center. I think it looks super cute. And over here with the silver and with the beads going, the bling wrap in the long and the short strands on the bottom gives it a nice effect. And our bling gems, OMG, the gems just make the towels stand out even more. Now all I did with the gems were pin them on. I pinned them onto the towels, not glue them on permanently because they cannot wash in the wash with the towels. So all I did was pin them on, so when you're ready to wash, you just take them off, wash your towels, and then put them back. And you have to wash these towels on light. Wash them on light wash, not heavy, and everything will be okay. And put them to, just fluff them in the dryer, not heavy heat, and then it will be fine. And here is my towel rack. Here it is in my powder room. Doesn't it look cute? OMG. I love how it turned out. I let it set overnight and then I used command strips to hang it up. Yeah, I used 4 large command strips. And I put the smaller hand towels on it, 2 of them. I think it looks so nice. Again, the dollar store items, and make something lovely for your home. Like I said, I didn't have a towel rack down here. A long one. I just have a little small one on the side, which I'll show you in a minute. So I made this one so I can hang up some more towels down here, and I think it turned out very nice. And here's one of the decorative towels that I did. It's hanging up in the washroom. It looks very nice. A nice decorative towel to help brighten up your washroom, make it look lovely. And remember, they are washable. That's why we use the fabric infusion to glue them down. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of our lovely decorative towels that we blinged out. Leave a comment down below and tell me which one you liked the best. And tell me what you think of my towel rack also that I made. And don't forget to give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs I come up with to share with you all. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.
Tell me why your man not here. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here?